compassion is woven into the fabric of society, where helping others is not just a responsibility, but a way of life. In this country, philanthropy is more than just charity. It's a commitment to humanity. From small, local initiatives to massive international organizations, giving back is at the heart of everything. It's where global institutions dedicate their time and resources to protect human rights, offer aid in times of crisis, and work towards a better, more equitable future. A place where the community comes together to tackle poverty, inequality, and injustice. This country doesn't just provide aid, it inspires it, motivating individuals, businesses, and entire organizations to contribute to the greater good. It's a country where giving isn't seen as an act of kindness, but as a duty to others and to the world. To love a country like this is to love the spirit of generosity, of empathy, and of action. It's a place where giving back isn't the exception, it's the rule. And that's something truly remarkable.